The 5 critical levels of problem solving. A great text on problem solving and how important it is in someone that you recruit is the text Future Proofing You by Jay Samit. He was looking for someone to coach. The one attribute I was looking for in a subject was perseverance. I needed to find someone who was resilient and had overcome many obstacles in their life. So when you examine a competency, there are 4 pillars of any competency. There is the awareness, there is the complexity of the environment in which the competency was emitted, there is the degree to which the competency has been shown, and then there's the impact. So when I'm looking for a candidate at a managerial level, I'm looking at their problem-solving sophistication. Level 1 is that they can define the competency of problem solving. When they've got resources, they're able to undertake some basic competency for a short period of time. As you can see here, there's ample resources. They can commit to solving a problem over a 30-day period, and the impact is on their team. A level 2 problem solving sophistication is where the candidate can define what problem solving is and where it plays a part in a procedure. They have examples where with resources they've committed for 3 months. Over that 3-month period, they've identified the root cause of the problem and they've resolved it, and that's led to the attainment of a personal goal. We are looking at 5 levels of problem-solving competency because it's critical that as a business owner you hire people who have shown their capacity to resolve problems. So a level 3 is that they can define the competency and when it's used in a procedure, that they have shown with some resources that they've solved problems, they've committed for 6 months to resolving a problem, and when they resolved the problem, and the examples that they give to you, that they have resolved the foundational, the root cause of the problem, and it's led to sustained goal achievement for the whole team. A level 4 of problem solving sophistication is that the candidates can clearly define what problem solving is. However, they're able to identify how it's had an impact on their positions previously. They can show examples of where they've had some resources, but the resources are getting less at a level 4, and they've committed for a longer period of time, 1 year. They have resolved the root cause of the problem, leading to sustained problem solving that impacts the whole of their department. A level 5 sophistication when it comes to problem solving is that not only can the candidate define what problem solving is, that they understand the nuances of problem solving and how it impacts a business in all its facets. They've had no resources, they just got on and they've solved the problem. They've committed to several years to resolving the problem. And once again, the foundational, the root causes of that problem were eliminated and the problem was solved company-wide. What I've found is that people who solve problems often have a growth mindset, and this quote is appropriate for these individuals who are at a level 5 of problem-solving capability. They believe that they were not born a winner or they were not born a loser. You are what you make yourself to be. So they are defining their destiny by having a growth mindset. And often you can see that in not only the problems they've solved, but their reading and self-initiated learning. Albert Einstein is associated with solving some substantial problems. And he says, it's not that I am so smart, it's just that I stay with problems longer. And that's exactly what I'm saying. Those people who resolve problems are not necessarily smart. They just stick at it. They've got perseverance, resilience, They don't need to have all the resources under the sun. They have a growth mindset and they are in charge of their destiny and they want the problem solved.